So 400 cars are in this. All 400 are sold.
And here.
400 cars were in this.
Well, $399 because they need room for the tour car.
I think it was still 400.
Okay.
All sold. People are coming from Germany today to pick all of these cars up.
And
the
Holland
cars,
and Denmark.
the cars spend a maximum 2 days in these 2 towers, built here, shipped here.
Delivered underground by a tunnel system.
By a tunnel system from the factory, which employs 40,000 people.
Yes.
That works 24 hours a day.
365 days a year.
24 hours a day.
Deutschen arbeiten.
Arbeit macht Spaß. Das kann ich dir sagen. Die Deutschen kann arbeiten. Schwer. 24 hours a day. I still can't believe this. 400 cars sold. 400 cars sold.
And the people are coming here to pick them up.
And why?
Because then it becomes an entire thing. The family comes, they can test drive their own little cars. You can test drive an electric Audi, which we're going to go do later.
Mm-hmm.
And you can take a tour here. You can stay here at the Ritz-Carlton, Brad.
The propaganda.
Brad
The Germans. That's what it is. You see the truth? They saved the shipping.
It's true.
They saved the shipping. That's why most of them want to come and pick it up. She told us the secret. But the Germans with the propaganda.
But it's super fun.
We paid to get here and we didn't buy a car.
Come to Wolfsburg. Es ist ausgezeichnet.